Hello guys, in previous class we added the blocks. Now we should add the arches. So open the AutoCAD. See here, we already pasted sets and we should draw here arches. So in this, go to the here, click on arches and uh, here we get it here. See here, we can here click on this option and click to arrow mark downwards. Here we can see here arches and click on it and simply here paste it. One, this one, and here we should paste this one. Zoom in and here we can paste it and go here. We can solid, we can paste it here and click on here one. Close it. Click on here this option and solid. I want solid and here add it. Like this we should add the arches. Escape it. Here I don't need, and here we can under. Okay, here we re-undo. Click on solids and paste it here. Like this we should we should add the arches. Arches were added. So I want to here unselect that to up to here. I want to remove it, so we can re-undo it, and again we can paste. We can paste here. Like this, we should add the arches. Then after, we should click on escape. It will be cancel the commands what we use previous commands. And next, we should add the text. We should add the text. Click on text here. And we can here which is a bedroom and bathrooms, toilets, and this is the hall, this is the dining table, and we should add it here dining table here. This is my kitchen, and this is my double another bedroom. We should add it here. We should add it here one bed. So I want to select the object. First of all, I select the object here and click on copy here. Here to this and move it and escape it. Next, I want to here this one. I want to cancel it. So delete, select all, and select the object here to rotate. Here, click on hit and escape it. Select object and this move. We can change. We can move it up to here and escape it. Then after another sofa, you select it and click on move it, and this option here we can paste it, and we can rotate the towards the 180 degrees. So select the object. Yes, this was I was changed, and click on. We will set it here. We want to select the object to move the left right side. Click on OK here towards the downwards. Click on OK. I was changed. I want to here sofa. I want to add the sofas. Sorry, I want to add the chairs. So I want to move it toward the left side here. Select object and click on move option. Select it and can paste it here. This one chair also we can move it here. Escape it. We should rotate the towards the front side. So I want to change. Select it and here. This one also we want to change it. Select the object and we can move it here. We can change the move it towards the sofa set. Here we can paste it. This one I want to change this one also. This another chair and click on paste toward the upward direction. So see here we can paste it, and I want to here attach the table. So I want to here I want to go to the blocks, click on the blocks and go to the rectangle. Click on it, escape and select the object. Select the object. Here we can move it towards the upward direction. Click on it. You can change it. So I want to change. And click on filter here and escape it and click on the filter here and select the radius. Here my radius is 3 feet. Enter it and select the object here. Here we can change here. Again go to the trim and click on radius here and here 3 feet and enter it. Select the object here. You can see here we changed the radius. Some blocks of I want to add some blocks here. So I want to here modify here. Then we should add the control 2. Here with control 2 we will get the commands which we added the previous, and go to home. We should add the home spacing plans. Click on blocks here. Here we should add the lamp here towards the right side here, and here I want to add the table. So I will add the here directly. I can add it here and close it here and zoom it. You select the object here and we can click on move option here and select the object here. We can paste it directly here and escape it. Comments will be cancelled and click on the object. Here we can copy it here and directly we can paste it here. Here on added and escape it. Lamp was added here. So I want to add it here table. So go to the rectangle option here and here we can and paste it here and escape it and select the object here and filter it. Go to the here radius 3 feet and enter it. Select the object here. We can change it here like this. We can change it and go to the filter here. Click on the radius here. 3 feet. Enter it. Here we should select the object and filter. Click on radius here. Like this we should do the radius of and enter it. we added the table here. So escape it, and we should add this time. I want to add another bedroom also, and select the object here and copy, paste it towards here and escape it. We can see here I was added the lamp and beds, and this one my table. So I want to edit. I want to towards the back side. I want to move toward the right side to move, and click on object and move it toward the back side. Bed also I want to move it. Click on move option here towards the back side here. Lamps toward the right side here. I was pasted here completely. So this one also we want to change here. Move option here. Okay. In next class we added the here dining table, and here we want to add the kitchen table, and sink also we should add it. So in next class we can see here, we can see